If I could start over as a trader, I'll tell myself these 5 things. If I have a freaking time machine, first thing I'm gonna tell myself, if people leave you because they don't believe that you can become a successful trader, let them leave. It's normal for people who don't believe in you, especially if you come from a very conventional family. I'm lucky enough that my parents, they are stock investors, so they are a little bit more open-minded, even though my biological father, he has some issues. And guess what? When you achieve results in your trading, those people who don't believe in you, guess what? Some of them, they are gonna come back. Some of them, they are gonna be like, by the way, do you remember me? Embrace them and then ignore them. Number 2, hang out with successful traders and stop getting wasted. There are certain people in my life, they are fun to hang around with, but guess what? Because they don't really have goals in life, they don't really have a direction in life, so it kind of rubbed off onto me. You know what I'm saying? And then I also become aimless, directionless, until I decided to change one day. I started to hang around with successful people. In my early years, I joined professional speakers associations. I also joined a professional trainers association for a couple of years. I was a community member there. That was where I also learned how to speak properly. Even if you don't talk to those people, you just go to the meeting and sit there. The way they behave, their mindset is going to rub off onto you. Like if you're an introvert like me with social anxiety, you cannot really talk to people. You know what? Just go there, sit there, and you'll be fine. You'll be fine. And eventually you'll find the courage to talk to people. That was how I got started. Then the third thing, other people's indicator may not be suitable for you. You might go out and learn different trading strategies from different mentors, but their strategy might not be suitable for you. Because I have certain mentors, they use like 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame. I don't adapt the strategy. And I have certain mentors who use H4, like higher time frames, daily time frames, weekly time frames. Then I adopt some of their strategies. Certain mentors might use MACD, for example, as a confirmation indicator, but then personally, for me, I prefer to use RSI, CCI, then I just adopt that. Then whenever he or she teaches MACD or some other indicator, I'm not gonna listen because that's his strategy. Fourth thing I'm gonna tell myself is you need to give it at least 1 year to be safe. Like I know there are some traders who can make it within 1 year. For those who are super hardworking, they can do it. But then for the average trader, it takes 2 to 3 years. Professional traders, they train themselves at least 3 years. My finance degree took me freaking 3 years. Because in trading, there's so many things to learn. For example, forex trading, you have so many topics: intermarket analysis, sentiment analysis, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, risk management, trading psychology, how to choose a good broker, trading plan, trading journal. You know what I'm saying? You're only in trading for 1 year and you're still not making money. It's fine because for most people, it's not going to take 1 year. So I need to wait so long, 1 year, for me to learn trading. Okay, then maybe your job is a lot better because you go to your job, you work 40, 50 years and then retire at 60. That's the best. As a trader investor, you can buy a Ferrari, but that doesn't mean that you need to be the Ferrari. Where are you rushing to? Like, why do you need to force yourself to make 100% a month? Because a trader on Instagram is making 200% a month and yet they are selling signals. That is very weird. Fifth thing I'll tell myself is if you try to figure out everything yourself by Googling, you pay the price of time wasted. Like you pay a price either way, right? If you pay for a course, I spend $60,000 to learn about financial markets and I'm still spending money every single month. If I pay money to invest in a course or book or something like that, okay? I pay the price of money lost, but it's not really losing money because like eventually if you make the most out of the knowledge, you can get it back, okay? Of course, some of the course I still haven't finished yet. But if you learn everything on Google, yeah, you can get there, but it's gonna take you a longer time because you wouldn't know what article is good, what article is not good. You know what I'm saying? So if you don't have money, but you have a lot of time to spare, then there's no harm learning for free online, because it's possible. There are people who told me that my YouTube videos helped them become profitable, and they never paid me a single cent. And it's fine, just don't ask me to donate you $10,000 for your forex trading account. And one bonus tip I want to share with you is this: even though only about 10% or less than 10% of traders make money, be confident in yourself, because if you follow the rules, work hard, put in the patience, discipline, eventually you are going to get there. Okay, so with that, talk to you in the next video. Bye.